Hello everybody and welcome back to another Wylock lesson. Today we're going to go over lesson 9, rational numbers. So first we're going to write the following fractions as decimals. So 1, this is 6 divided by 10. So how do we get to doing this? Well, it's pretty simple really. Basically, all we're doing to convert these fractions as decimals is just dividing it. So what we're doing is 6 divided by 10. But wait, you might be thinking, but 10 can't go into 6. Well, you're absolutely right, because we're going to be going into decimals. So 10 goes into 6 0 times, and then bring down 0. 10 goes into 60 though, 6 times. So your answer to this is negative 0.6. That is the fraction as a decimal. Right? So, we could do number 2. What is negative 4 over 10? Well, just do the same thing. Do 4 divided by 10, 0.4. So your answer for this is negative 0.4. Number 3, 2 over 5, well, same thing, 5, my apologies guys, 2 divided by 5, that's 0, bring down 0, 5 goes into 20 4 times. So the answer is 0.4. Number 4, negative 6 and 3/10. So negative 6, so we already know the first number is negative 6. And then 0.3 divided by 10. So it's a 0 point, bring down 0, 3. 10 goes into 30 3 times, so negative 6.3. So I hope you guys realize the pattern with all the numbers that have a denominator of 10. That's just, when 6 is over 10, it's just 0.6. And why is that? Well, this is the 10th decimal place. So when you're doing 6 over 10, we already know that it's going to go to the 10th decimal place. For example, for number 5, using this rule, we already know it's negative 4, and then 2 divided by 10, you just go to 10th decimal place, so negative 4.2. And then 6, 3/4. This one we could do division for 0, bring down the 4, 7, minus 28 is 2, bring down 0, 5. So the answer is 0.75. Number 7, what we could do is, we already know it starts with 6, and then 12 divided by 50 is 0. Then 50 goes into 120 2 times for 100. Then it goes in here 4 times. So the answer is 6.24. So yeah, I think you guys get the general gist of it. Might as well just finish number 8. So number 8 would be 7 divided by 20, 0. So it'd be 3, and then 5. So the answer to this one is negative 0.35. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Write the following fractions as decimals. These are bigger, but using what we learned before, we could do this. So, what we learned before, or what I said, was that 0.6, the 6 is in the 10th place because you're doing 6 over 10, it's in the 10th place. So here, this would be the same thing. However, this is the 10,000s. So 0.8446, right? Because it's already in the 10,000s place. This is the tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So we just had to put this 0 point that, and that's it in fraction or in decimal form. Same thing over here for 2. You just do 3.594689. This is the what? This is to the millionth. This is 10th, 100th, 1000th, 10,000, 100,000, and millionth place. Then 3, this would just be negative 1.12, because this is the tenths and the hundredths place. Yeah, we have hundredths. 4, this would just be 9.8, because this is just the tenths. Number 5, this would just be 1.8, because this is just the tenths again. Number 6, this would just be 0.547, because this is just the thousandth place. Number 7, this would just be negative 1.044. And why is that? Because this is 44 to the thousandth. Not 400. If it was 440, then it would be 1.44. But since it's 44 to the thousandth, it'd be negative 1.044. Finally, number 8, this would just be 1.51257, because it's to the thousandth place. Well, pretty simple. Let's move on to the next one. Convert fractions to decimals using long division. So this is just what we've been doing before. So just do 87 divided by 11. So this would be 7, 10, 100, 9, 99, 0, 0, and then 99, and then it just be 7.90 repeating, because in forever it goes 7.909090 all the way to infinity. So we just put the repeating sign. Number 2, we do 121 divided by 19. This would be 6, and then 19 times 6 is equal to 114. So 7, bring down the 0. Then this goes into that 3 times. So 19 times 3 is 57. 13. This goes in there 6 times. So minus 114 would be 16. Bring down the 0. And this would be 152, 8, 0. And I think that's just the decimal place we're gonna leave it. We could keep going, but that's just gonna be unnecessary work. I think to the third decimal place is probably for the best. Alright, let's work on the word problems now. So start with number 1. The red baton is 2.24 meters long and the blue baton is 1.86 meters long. How much longer is the red baton compared to the blue one? Well, all we have to do is just subtract the measurement of the red baton minus the measurement of the blue baton. And then with this, you get 0.38 meters. So the correct answer would be A. Number 2, all you have to do is find the common denominator and add them. The common denominator would be 24, so 7 times 3 is 21 over 24, and then plus 6 times 4 over 20, so that's equal to 41 over 24. So the correct answer is C. And then, same thing here. Instead, first we're going to combine into an improper fraction. So 2 to the 1/2 is the same thing as 5/2. Plus 3 to the 5/8 is 29/8. And then common denominator, we're going to do, it'll turn to 20 plus 29 over 24, which is equal to 49 over 24. Right? So then we're gonna get, what's it called? Oh wait, not 24. Oops. I mean, not 24. It'd be over 8. So then this would be 6 and 1/8. So the correct answer for this one is also C. Well, that wraps it for today, boys and girls. Have a good day.